Have you been injured at work? Or were you hurt in an automobile or commercial accident? If so, before you turn to your insurance agency, turn to our professional personal injury attorneys who can help you make sure you get the proper compensation for your injuries and time out of work. Let's face it, insurance companies want to pay you as little as possible. That's why you need someone in your corner who can help you fight for your rights. The best part is, if we can't help you or we don't agree to take your case, there is no out-of-pocket cost to you. So, call us now for a free, no obligation consultation. Get the money you deserve before it's too late.